Hello, my name is Mrs. Sherman and today we're going to be cooking together. We're going to make a recipe called curry carrot salad, and it's one of my favorites. I chose this because we know that we should be always eating half of our plate should be fruits and vegetables in our healthy diet. Now, especially we should have different colored fruits and vegetables. So I'm going to show you now a picture of a rainbow that has fruits and vegetables on it, and it talks about each color and what part of your body it affects. Now in the curry carrot salad we have orange carrots and we have red apples, so that's going to affect our eyes and skin for the orange, and then for the red apple it will help your heart. Okay, now I have another sign here saying that your kids learn from you. So if you eat more fruits and veggies, they will too. So this is a recipe that my whole family enjoys, both me and my husband and my 2 boys. Now, so that will help them eat more fruits and vegetables. Let's get started.
Let's look at the recipe. Go ahead and pause this so you can take a good look at it. We'll start with the carrots. I'm going to use 3 different kinds. First, we'll cut up the crinkle cut frozen carrots I just thawed in the fridge. Cut them up into as thin as slices as you can. Then I took a big carrot. I cleaned it underwater, but I kept the skin on because it has a lot of good nutrients in it. And then I used a cheese grater and I shredded up that carrot. Last, in order to get my whole 2 cups of shredded carrots, I used baby carrots and just shredded them the same way. Now we have the apple. Make sure you core it, and then you want to cut all the pieces into little bite-sized pieces of apple to put into our salad. Then dice up half a small onion. Go ahead and combine the carrots, apples, and onions into one large bowl. But remember, this is for your family, so modify it how you'd like. Either more carrots, more apples, less onion, whatever works. Now get a small bowl ready for the other ingredients.
Okay, we have our marinade all ready, and we have our carrots, apples, and onions. We're going to add a 1/4 cup of raisins, or craisins is what I use. And remember, this is all about you and your family and what you all like. So if you like a few more raisins in there, mix them in there. If you want more carrots, put more carrots in there. Speaking of, I'm going to add a few more. If you don't want to use salt, don't use salt. You can change it to, you can modify the recipe to what your family likes most. We'll give it one more mix. We'll pour it on there. And now, and mix it around. Now remember, when I cut up the carrots, I had all different shapes and sizes of the carrots because I used some baby carrots and I used some frozen crinkle cut carrots that I had thawed, and I used just a normal big carrot and left the skin on because it has all the good stuff in it. So here we go, curry carrot salad. Remember, it makes great leftovers because it sits and lets all the juices marinate in. So if you haven't finished it, put it in the fridge for a day or 2 and you'll be good. Yum. Thanks for joining me in making a recipe. Enjoy!